Hi, I'm Dennis Mehta and I'm a coach. I am going to take assessment of my client whose name is Rutu Patel. Hi Rutu, how are you?
I'm good, Danish. How are you?
I'm also fine. Thank you very much. So after completing your initial assessment form, and
Hmm.
I read your initial assessment form, and I can say that you want to improve strength of your lower body, so you can stand and work for longer period of time at your workplace. Is it right?
Yes.
And after getting your goal, can you please give brief knowledge about your previous effort?
Okay, so when I felt the first time that I have a lower strength of the body. So I try to do some squats and lunges in under guidance of my trainer. I did that for the 2 months, but I feel there is no worth to do that and continue that, and so I just stopped it over there and just left it at.
That's great. So you trained by one of your trainer. Am I right?
Uh, yes, you are right.
Okay. Then when did you feel that you have to improve strength of your lower body?
Okay, so half an year ago, when I was working at my workplace, and it was like heavy days for me, like 5 to 8 hour shifts, and I have to continue standing, and I have to sometimes walk around the company and all. So I feel like at the end of the day, I feel the knee joint pain and the calves pain and all muscles are paining a lot. So I just considered to my one of the trainer and someone, and they told me, yes, your lower body strength is low, so you have to improve that. That's how I know.
As you tell that you have a knee joint pain and calf pain, I strongly suggest that you have to improve the strength of your lower body muscle.
Oh yeah.
Mm, yeah. And as you told that you trained by one trainer, so can you
Mhm.
please tell me that how many days work? Did you
Okay,
do workout?
so 3 to 4 days per week, not the certain days like 3 days or 4 days, not like that, but the 3 to 4 days of the training.
That's awesome one. And can you please tell me your diet? Did you take any diet plan?
Nope, I'm not taking any diet plan, and I'm just kind of foodie, so I like to eat all tasty foods and all fast foods. I'm eating a lot and very different and not healthy food.
Okay, okay. So after getting more idea about your workout schedule and your diet, I want to
Mhm.
do some musculoskeletal tests, which helps me to get more idea about in which particular muscle or a group of muscle you have a less strength. I will
Mhm.
use manual muscle technique to measure your muscle strength. And I also want to use a body composition test, which helps me to get more idea about how much percentage of body fat you have in your body. So I will do this test at next follow up.
Mhm.
And I strongly advise that you should focus on the lower body resistance training
Mhm.
and should follow healthy diet plan. Is
Sure.
it okay for you?
I will try to follow the diet plan. I'm not sure about that, but of course, I will try my best.
I think you should follow the my techniques and my methods so you can definitely reach your goal.
Oh yeah, sure, I will try.
And if you can agree, I can arrange a base plan for you.
Oh yeah, sure, why not?
Okay? And so I'll give you a table from 0 to 10,
Okay.
and you have to select one number which shows
Mm-hmm.
your confidence level to reach your goal.
Okay.
So which number do you select from 0 to 10?
0 to 10. I'm gonna take 8.
Oh, that's good number. And why did you choose that number to show your confidence level?
Because if I decide to do something, I am doing that, and I reach my goal every time, so I feel like a little bit confidence. But I don't know about the diet plan, so that 2 points for the diet.
Oh, that's nice. I will give you it's normal diet. I didn't tell you how to strictly follow your diet, but
Mm-hmm.
if you do, then it will reflect on your result.
Yeah, sure.
And as per your number, I can definitely tell that you have a strong confidence level.
Yeah.
Yeah. And if you are willingly want to achieve your goal, then I
Mhm.
should set up a next appointment in which I would like to perform some tests, like as I told earlier. I want to test your muscle strength and body composition. And at next appointment, I will show some basic resistance exercise to build up the strength of your lower body. And I definitely give you a best diet plan for you. Is it okay for you?
Yeah, it would be great for me. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much. And do you have any question for me?
Right now, I haven't any questions, but I want to ask you just one question. Like, when are you thinking to arrange my next session?
Can you please tell me again?
Uh, when are you thinking to arrange my next session for the taste and
Oh,
all?
you can come next week as the same day and as the same time as we are doing a conversation or assessment. So you can come the next follow up, and I'm waiting for your I'm waiting for you, and I will definitely give you the best plan for you. Is it okay?
Okay. Yeah, it is fine.
Okay.
Thank
Thank you
you.
very much. Have a nice day.
Have a good day. You
Yeah.
too.